shellac flakes by dissolving the necessary amount in denatured alcohol 24 hours beforehand. This is a very important step, as the oil in the linseed oil putty will soak into the wood frame without this barrier, causing premature putty failure. Applying the shellac is a necessary step for long-lasting results. After the shellac has dried, trim or scrape away any excess that is outside the glazing grooves or rabbets for an even paint job later. You do not want to paint on top of shellac, as it will cause flashing and appear a different luster. The DANA Linseed Oil Putty is ready to use right out of the can and does not need excessive handling or mixing. Simply massage the amount needed until warm. Backbed glazing grooves or rabbets with DANA putty. Press into grooves. It is important not to trap air bubbles in or under the putty. A pressured gliding motion with a putty knife will lay in the putty evenly. It is better to have too much than not enough putty on this step. It is very similar to the consistency of a conventional modern putty, so great for those who are new to linseed oil putty. Clean glass. Glass can be soaked in Sodasun dish soap and warm water to remove old coatings or residue. May require careful use of sharp razor blade. Reinstall glass carefully by pressing down, fingers spread wide to distribute the weight evenly. Another method shown here is using an orbital sander on a microfiber cloth to shimmy the glass down carefully. Be sure to keep track of where each pane of glass goes in your sash. Secure glass with glazing pins. Video shows using traditional copper pins, but any pins or glazier points will work. Tap in carefully. Traditional copper pins may need to be bent to one side if too long. Be sure to tap or install whatever you use as level as possible to avoid chipping or breaking the glass.